This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Piano Man on the keyboard. We will begin by understanding the song's fundamental structure and key. This classic tune is primarily in C major, which is a great starting point for many musicians. You will notice its signature 3/4 time signature, giving it that memorable waltz feel. We'll focus on the core chord progression of C, G, a minor, and F, ensuring you can transition between them with ease. Mastering these basics is your first step to sounding like Billy Joel. Now let's focus on your left hand, which provides the rhythmic foundation and harmonic support. For the C major chord, you'll typically play a broken chord pattern like C, G, and then C again. When you move to the G major chord, your left hand will play G, D, and G. For the A minor, it's A, E, and A. Finally, for the F major chord, you'll play F, C, and F. Practice these patterns slowly to build a steady, flowing accompaniment. Moving to the right hand, this is where the iconic melody and richer harmonies come to life. When playing the C major chord, your right hand will typically voice C, E, and G. For the G major, you'll play G, B, and D. The A minor chord uses A, C, and E, while the F major chord is voiced as F, A, and C. Pay close attention to the original recording to accurately capture the subtle melodic phrasing and rhythmic feel. This will truly bring the song to life. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together and perform Piano Man. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, ensuring your left and right hands are perfectly coordinated. Gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows and your muscle memory develops. Focus on mastering the verse and chorus sections individually before attempting to play the entire song seamlessly. Remember to incorporate dynamics and expressive phrasing to truly capture the song's emotional depth and make your performance shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.